everyone, how are you doing? As you can read from the title, today I am going to be unboxing the Fit Lifestyle box. I love this box. It's like a monthly dose of fitness motivation. And also I will be announcing a fun giveaway at the end of this video after I unbox this, so stay tuned for that. But before I get unboxing, I just wanted to remind you that I also have my 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. I will leave a link to that below if you have not yet entered. But let's get on to the box. So Fit Lifestyle box, this is an awesome box that is monthly. It's $25 per month. And you get like athletic apparel, you get workout plans, which is super awesome. You get supplements, you get snacks. It's just everything you need to get you on track with your fitness goals. When you subscribe to this box, you let them know what your fitness goals are, which is super cool, so it can be more personalized to you. So you can tell them if you're trying to get lean, get fit, or stay the same, I believe. So just have a fit, healthy lifestyle. So I am currently starting my health and fitness journey, and I really do need something to help motivate me every month. I try and work out and eat right, but sometimes, you know, you fall off the bandwagon and you just need a little help. So this is where this box comes in. So when you open it, this is what I see. There is a card on here. So brand new this month, they now provide 2 different workout plans. It used to just be one monthly, but they have a certified personal trainer come up with these, so it's for all fitness levels. So there's a beginner, like for me, I'm a total beginner, and then there's also workout plans for the advanced person. So let's see what it says this month, and look how nice these sheets are. So for the beginner it says, perform each exercise 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And it has movements, high knees or jog in place, mountain climbers, jumping jacks, air squats, and speed skaters. And on day 1 it says do 4 rounds, and then each day it kind of ups the amount of rounds you do and then has a rest day, and then you can start all over. So it's very doable. And then for the advanced people out there, it gives more reps and different workouts. So I will definitely be doing the beginner, and I love that it's made by a personal trainer who's actually certified in this. So this is, I think this will be good. I like how it starts with 4 rounds. It's very doable for 30 seconds. So it says Plyometrics burns the maximum amount of calories in the shortest amount of time while toning the body. I'm all about that, like HIIT or high intensity interval training. I actually did like a 7-minute workout this morning because I'm just way more likely to do a quick workout, and that they say is actually really beneficial than like going to the gym and going on elliptical for a while, you know? Anyway, so that is super awesome. This is brand new to the box. And then there's something here for Bulldog Yoga, so you can get 2 weeks free, which is super cool. You can do yoga from home. Okay, now on to all the goodies. Look at all that stuff in there. So the first thing I see, it looks like there's like a little wristband that says Fit Lifestyle box on it. And then they also have something that I think you can like attach to your bag or something like that. It says Fit Lifestyle box, and then hashtag Let's Get Fit. And then there's some snacks in here. So I think you get like about 2 to 3 snacks in each box. So this is a chocolate chip cookie dough flavored protein bar. Yum, it has 20 grams of protein, only 1 gram of sugar. And this is by the company One. I wonder if they're called One because they only have like 1 carb or whatever in it. So that's awesome. And it's 220 calories. This sounds so good. I'm doing intermittent fasting, and I don't start eating till 11 a.m. It's like 10:30 right now, so I'm like starving. So this sounds so good. And then there's a Quest protein bar. This is s'mores flavor, yum. And this has 21 grams of protein, 4 net carbs, 1 gram of sugar, and 14 grams of fiber. And it is 190 calories. Look how good this looks. Oh my God, my stomach's like grumbling. Oh, and then it looks like there is some protein powder in here, but there's 2 different ones from the company Sano, I believe is how you pronounce it. And it's organic, plant-based protein, so I love that. This one is chocolate. It is vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free, and organic. It looks like you just mix, shake, or blend 1 serving with 8 to 12 ounces of your favorite chilled beverage, delicious with almond milk. Awesome, I have almond milk in my fridge right now. I totally will have this. I'm trying to increase my protein intake, so this box is really helping. Let's see how much protein's in it. 20 grams of protein. So this looks so good. And I like that it's plant-based. And then there's one in vanilla as well. And it looks like it has the same instructions and same ingredients, but just a different flavor. Super good. And then what's this? Cool. This is a MetRx Whey Protein Snack Cup. It has 10 grams of protein. It's whey-infused chocolate hazelnut spread with breadsticks. Oh my God, this sounds phenomenal. This is awesome. They are including all these yummy, awesome things that have protein. This is exactly what I need, because I'm a vegetarian. I know I've mentioned that before, but I'm not sure if all of you know that. So I'm trying really hard to incorporate more protein into my diet, and it's not always the easiest. So it's great getting this kind of thing in the mail so I can try it out, and if I like it, I can purchase more of it. So sounds really cool. So there is, like I said, 10 grams of protein in here. Looks pretty healthy. Hazelnut spread, that just sounds so good. I will have to let you guys know how that is. And then there is the fitness attire. So when I was talking to the company, they said they're upgrading their box. So they're gonna like redo the packaging, and they're gonna get even better apparel. And I really like the shirt I got last time I got this box. I wear it actually when I work out because it had something motivating on it too. So this says never skip leg day. And it's super comfy. It seems like it has really like good material. Yeah, it's by Gildan Performance. It's made from polyester. It feels really comfortable and breathable fabric too. So this is awesome. I love that they include this. And I love that it always has something like fitness related on it. So it kind of inspires you to work out. So isn't this a good box? So you get something like a fitness apparel type thing. You get like some supplements or protein, some snacks. Like, oh my God, these seem so good. But honestly, what I think I'm the most excited about is the workout plan. I love that you get this monthly. That's so awesome. And now that they do it for both beginners and advanced, because I think my last box, honestly, it was a little hard for me. Like after day like 3, I was like, oh my God, this is brutal. But now that they have the beginner, not just the advanced, I think this is awesome. So if you guys like this, you have the opportunity to win the February box. So I'll tell you the rule. Okay, so the first rule is you must be subscribed to my channel and like this video. And then second, I'm going to leave two links down below for Fit Lifestyle Box, their Instagram page and their Facebook. And you have to comment on one or both. So if you comment, you only have to comment on one, but if you comment on both, then you get an extra entry. And what they want you to comment is, Kitty is awesome. I didn't come up with that, but hey, I'm okay with that. Thank you, Fit Lifestyle Box. All of this will be in the description box down below. All the directions, if that didn't seem very clear. It's really easy. So really just follow me on YouTube, like this video, and then you either have to comment either on Instagram, on Facebook, or both in just a couple words. It'll all be down below along with the link, so you can take you right there. And this will be open for 7 days. So this will end on February 5th at midnight Eastern Standard Time, and I will randomly pick a winner. So if you're interested, which you totally should enter because this is such a good box. If you're like me, I know a lot of people are. At the beginning of the year, we have some high hopes and fitness and health goals. This can totally help get you on track. Like opening this totally motivated me, and I'm just ready to get my workout on. I'm so excited. I love that I have a new shirt and a workout plan and these protein snacks. This is just what I need. Thank you, Fit Lifestyle Box, for sending me this box and having this giveaway with me. We are so excited. We love giveaways in this channel. So yeah, I will leave the links down below, like I said, as well as the Fit Lifestyle Box website. If you want to go over and check that out and subscribe, definitely do so. I really like this box. So thank you all for being here today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.